cylinder. Going on, everybody? It's SRTA Boost. We are going for our first moto vlog of 2025, and I'm using the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. And as you can see right there, that's my little screen, my little helper screen, so that you know, I can hit pause or play or whatever the hell you want to call it. And we're going on this beauty today. Yeah, so that's going to be a riot, obviously. And guess who's coming with us? Watch that. Here we go. There he is in the background. There he is with Mr. Harley Davidson. Look at this. Look at this beaut. Hey? This is a beaut. Look, he's smiling in the back. Oh, he said it's dirty because there's like probably one. Oh, there's lots of spots on there, eh? For real. Wow. Here. Oh, there's, now it's clean. Yeah, two flakes. Anyway, so that's how this ride's going to be. Yeah, without further ado, I guess we will see you on the road. We're just going to get ready and head out. See you soon. All right, we're off. I hope you guys like the new camera angle. I freaking love this Ace Pro 2, man. It's sick. Fucking sick. There's little Nicky. Okay, and that was a pretend stop sign. Probably going to be a lot of those. You gonna fucking make it or what? You know what? He's still having problems with his clutch from like last season when he was trying to he was having issues and he couldn't get it into gear, for fuck's sake. Yeah. Anyway, we're going up to a town called Bolton. There's supposedly, I don't think I said that right. I think I was supposed to say supposedly a car meet in, at the Canadian Tire. So, muscle cars, some shit like that. I don't know, sometimes there's bikes there. I guess we'll see. Which way are you going? That's what I figured. Okay, it looked like I didn't know what the fuck I was doing on that turn. Jesus. Oh, it's exciting. First moto vlog, man. First moto vlog for 2025. Fucking sick. Funny, like, I'm sure you guys seen in my car videos, it's been raining so much, like look at the goddamn sky. It's like, oh god, I just got a bug right in the fucking visor. God damn it. Anyways, it's been raining. Like, shittiest start to the summer ever. You know what? You gotta take it as it comes, I guess. You know what I mean? Half decent tonight. I mean, I'm in my leather jacket, but like, I don't mind that. It's not bad. What's up? That was probably to Nick, not me, because, you know, brothers, they don't say hi to Ducati riders. Well, that was fun. Yeah, I gotta admit, it does look pretty damn good on that bike. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Oh yeah, you know the sound of that? That's the sound of a brother. Which I don't mind. It feels good to get back out. And I'm on my favorite road. Sick. And it's not nighttime, which is great too, because you guys can actually see some shit. Oh. Fucking almost ran into that poor guy. That sucks. See, Teslas, man. I'm telling you. How do you guys like the mirrors? Aren't they nice? Come on. Fucking way better than the other ones, that's for sure. Oh, is that the Paris? Yeah, it looks like it. It's the Sharkies. Fucking guy's a douche. Everybody likes to fucking speed up when you're gonna turn. Fucking signals on. I swear, one of these days I'm gonna fucking like just jump off this bike and fucking smash somebody. My elbow. Slalom. Watch those fucking potholes when you do that. Fucking sucks ass. Fucking goddamn, that's a big factory, man. Holy shitballs. Well, I'm slowly remembering why I like to drive at night. Because there's nobody on the fucking road. Fuck, that's funny. Like, what is the point of just doing a 30-foot long patch of new pavement? Like, just fucking tear the goddamn road up. Like, this road is so bad. So stupid. Like, look, it's all new over here. Then the main area where you would drive is a fucking disaster. It probably hasn't been done in like 20 years. It's fucking sweet. Okay, we'll be right back. Alright, we're back. 10 minutes later. Nah, I'm kidding. It was probably like a couple minutes. Maybe not. It's funny, there's a Kia dealership there. And like my last video, I was like racing that Kia on the highway there. In the car, sorry. Just reminded me of that. Another red light. Oh, this one's not too bad actually. If I don't cut it out. Kitty! Oh yeah. Fucking that's a Harley Sender. see, he said hi. That's right. Thanks, man. Okay, so I believe this is the Canadian Tire here. So let's see what's good. I'm probably not going to walk around with you guys, but I will take like a quick ride around and see what's good. If it's fucking worth it. I mean, there's literally like 2 cars there. Okay, well there's a few, whatever. Just do a quick little drive through. Oh, that's nice. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Just do like a little drive through here. Just check it out. A little fast forward. Cool shit. Very nice. Fucking sweet. No, 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 no music, no music. That fucks everything up. Sick. Very nice. Well, guys, that's your view of the show and what's left of it. We're just going to chill for a bit and I'll see you back on the road. All right, bye. Here. What's going on, everybody? All right. We are leaving this car show, and look who decided to show up. Meek's Garage. No, no, you go. Yeah, so we're just gonna go for a coffee now and hang out for a bit, I guess. And that's it, pretty much. Okay, not gonna make you wait here. Yeah, by the way, he just got that wrap done. What do you guys think? It looks good, no? Got the white with and then he's got the carbon hood as well. I don't know, I think it looks good. Yeah, it's funny. Every time we go to that Canadian Tire car show, I swear, it's like, you know, I got a kid, right? So my little guy, you know, we put him down, whatever, and then I take off. By the time we get out here, these guys, like 3/4 of them went home. I just don't understand how you go home that early. It's fucked up. Oh, these are all new. I don't remember them last year. Another fucking red. And we're moving again, finally. I swear, it looks like it's gonna rain again. It's so funny. This fucking sky. Oh my god. It's like fucking red light central. Jesus. Okay, and we're going again. Fucking great way to continue a movie. Mind you know what? You can't really go that fast over here anyway. It's like Cop Central. Literally Cop Central here. Like they're hiding on top of buildings, in the trees. Wouldn't that be funny? That guy almost went. every single red light. That's ridiculous. It's a nice little place. Really nice. All I can smell is smoke. Yeah. Ha. There's like apparently forest fires or something like that, and the wind is blowing towards our area, so that's all you can smell. It's pretty shitty. Poor little animals. And this is where the end of the video is going to happen. So, SRT8 Boost signing off. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you don't like, it's okay too. Nah, you're gonna like it. It's all good. You guys are nice. Anyway, take care, brush your hair.